We've got ongoing winter weather alerts for the rest of today and through a good chunk of Monday through northern North Dakota, northern Minnesota, and into northern Wisconsin. Those are winter weather advisories, so we're not expecting feet of snow with this particular event, but there's going to be enough snow on the ground, wind, and low visibility that it could create some travel hazards. So when you get these alerts, a lot of it is typically for travel conditions, just avoiding those roadways where you deal with the pile-up accidents, that sort of situation. They're trying to avoid that, so they just tell you to stay off the roads with conditions like this. Now, as far as the low, there it is, the Clipper system. We got the cold front on the west, the warm front on the east. Unfortunately, yeah, we got some warm air that's mixing in, but it's not going to be enough to really change this over to a rain-snow mix. It'll likely be more all snow into Minneapolis and Duluth, Minnesota with this particular setup. As far as our accumulation numbers, higher numbers will be in the far northern tier, so getting up to the border with Canada and the border there with Lake Superior into northern Michigan. That's where we could see some of the higher impacts. But notice here how we have that orange coloring through eastern South Dakota, southern Minnesota, and into western Wisconsin. Well, that's a moderate winter storm impact. So because of the system that's coming through, we'll get the snow on the ground, but it's going to be a blustery forecast. The winds are going to be strong, and because of that setup, blowing and drifting wind, or I should say blowing and drifting snow because of the wind, will be a very likely situation. But look at the cold air that's also going to move in with the next system. So Monday in Rapid City, we're in the upper 40s. Same for Tuesday. Then we're down for a high of 7 degrees. So we go from the 40s to the single digits. With a swing like that, guaranteed it's going to be a very windy forecast. So there's going to be a wind chill component with this forecast. There's that low that comes in by tomorrow morning, coming right across the Great Lakes. Look at the negative numbers with those blustery conditions Tuesday morning. So heading out the door in Duluth by Tuesday morning, 8 a.m. time frame, it's going to feel like 14 below zero, 18 below zero in Fargo, and even single digit numbers anywhere from Minneapolis and Sioux Falls out towards La Crosse. And look at how that wind chill, it stays persistent Wednesday. It's just more of the same.